There is a new product from Just for Men. It's basically a gradual beard dye, which is very interesting to me because after you get it to a point where you like it, then you just kind of switch to maintenance mode, and that's great for me because I really do like the white hair. I don't think dyeing the beard has ever produced anybody a great result. Leaving a little bit of a natural thing to it is really nice, so sounds like a really good thing, and the reviews so far are awesome. And I'm curious how this will turn out. This is the vlog and how it will go for the next few weeks. Alright, so I just used it for the first time this morning, and it was such a subtle and very insignificant change today. You can see all the gray is still there, but there's like a certain tone evening that's happening over here. Yeah, for the most part, I would say it is working very gradually, which is very nice because the gradual part is part of the process, so you don't want to rush it and do it every day. So it's not looking like too much really happened, but it does seem to be like evening out the hair tone. So if it was a little dark at one part of the hair and a little lighter and then dark and then so on, it seems like it's kind of evening out each hair that already has color, but it hasn't really affected the gray too much. If anything, it looks like it's getting a little darker. So if you look, the gray is definitely still there, but it feels a little darker. And then all the browns, it felt like I had more reds, and now the reds feel brown and the browns feel like the same shade. Everything's sharing shades. And it might be more of a uniform look, which is why I'm doing the gradual, because I don't want it all the same tone. I like the variety. I'm curious what's gonna happen with this gray clump here. If you were to ask anybody else to look at it and say, hey, is there any difference on day 2 or 3? They would probably say no, but to me it seemed like pretty significant difference. I was seeing the grays as becoming dark gray or middle gray instead of a bright white. And then the tones of the rest of the colors were really finding their evening out stages. It really just felt like everything evened out pretty significantly. And that's what we're looking at here, because on how there's still some gray, some variance. You know, it doesn't look all uniform. So if we take a closer look, you're gonna see there's still some gray, which I like. I like the gray and the different color browns. And I don't want to ruin that and have it way too uniform. So it's looking pretty good. I feel like it's really nice, and I think that if I do another, it won't be too bad. But overall, I'm really I like it. I think it looks really nice and touched up to a nice degree. So I did do a 5th day, and that was when I stopped. That was the last time I've done it. I felt like it was getting a little fake looking in that uncanny valley type of deal. I feel like where it's at right now is what it looked like on that 5th day. I'm sure this will kind of wash out, I guess, is what happens, and you have to kind of maintain it, or maybe it grows out. I'm not really sure what they mean by maintain. It doesn't give you much information on that, what to do then. But I would say about 5 days in, it's made my grays darker, a lot darker, and even started evening out the tones to a degree where I think it's really nice. I would recommend this product. I will be buying it again. It's interesting because I love the control of darkening the gray, not eliminating it. And I also dislike the look of a dyed beard. It doesn't encourage life to me. It doesn't make you look younger, it just makes it look fake. That's my opinion. So this product's really nice because I think it does make you look younger without looking fake. You know, it's really not about looking younger. I don't necessarily want to look younger. I want to have the control over the style of how my hair is and the color and tones just a little bit better. Again, it's not about looking younger for me. It's just having that control. I hope this helps, and until next time, cheers.
Scrolling through the phone on a Sunday, just hanging around with nothing to do. Summer